Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can hard reset or factory reset your JBL Xtreme 2 Bluetooth speaker. With this you can solve many software or connectivity related problems, but it's also useful if you just want your speaker to forget all the formerly connected devices. To do this, first you have to power on the speaker by pressing the power button. When the speaker turned on, to do the reset, you have to press the volume up button and the play buttons simultaneously till the speaker turns off. Now the speaker turned off and we are done with the reset. The speaker set back to the factory defaults and it forgot all the formerly paired devices. So when I turn it on again, it automatically starts in pairing mode, so you can connect to it via Bluetooth. I hope this solved your problem. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.